Good morning, DSC, and welcome back to another edition of Grade 11 Entrepreneurship. Today, we're going to be looking at social entrepreneurship, what it is as a concept, and how it affects local communities. So first things first, social enterprise. We know a regular entrepreneur is someone who finds a need or a want in a community, and they set up a small business to provide for that need or want. Now, a social entrepreneur does the same thing, but they're not necessarily doing it for money or profit. They're doing it to solve a problem in a community. And today we're going to look at some examples of that. Task one, first things first, is watch this video. You're on your way. Next, we have an example of a young social entrepreneur here as our News of the Day article. Today's video is about how businesses can actually solve the problem of poverty. So poverty is a definitely serious social problem, and this video is about 11 minutes long, or 13 minutes I should say, and it's just investigating how businesses could solve that problem. Task 4 is today's reading. So there's just 2 pages of reading today. But it's very important to pay attention to these definitions of social entrepreneur and philanthropy. A social entrepreneur is simply an entrepreneur who works to help solve social problems. So they're doing it for money and to solve a particular problem. Whereas a typical entrepreneur, their goal is to make money. I'm not saying that making money is wrong, but social entrepreneurs, they go that extra mile in order to help solve a specific social problem. It could be poverty, homelessness, illiteracy, maybe just spreading cultural awareness, but they're content with making money and solving a problem. So 2 things that they do. Now, philanthropy is different. Philanthropy is a lot like charity. You're giving away not to make money, but to simply help people. So it could be giving away money, giving away products, goods, or simply your time to a social cause or charity. You're doing it for free. You're volunteering. So philanthropy, you're not making any money, but you're still doing it to help further a social cause or to solve a problem. So as usual, we have definitions in bold in the vocabulary section. So I do want you to read these 2 pages to learn about social entrepreneurship. And then for task 5, there are short answer questions. So for question number 1, you'll need to go to this website right here. And on this website, you'll have a bunch of profiles of people who are social entrepreneurs. These aren't all the social entrepreneurs in Canada. The list is in the hundreds or thousands. But I would like you to pick one person, read their profile, and answer these questions. What is the person's name? What do they do to create social change? What problem or issue did the person want to solve? And then I've mentioned this idea before, but tell me the difference between a social entrepreneur and a regular entrepreneur. And if you're not sure, you can go back to the text and you can find the definition for a social entrepreneur. And you guys should know what a regular entrepreneur is by now. If not, just Google that term. But an entrepreneur is someone who finds a need or want in a community and sets up a business to provide that need or want while making money. Next, I'd like you to, for question 5, click on this link. to learn about the Aboriginal Entrepreneurship Program. So read about the program here. You don't need to worry about the deadline or how to apply. But believe it or not, even you guys can apply for this. This is a program meant to help Aboriginal entrepreneurs, and as Indigenous individuals, you guys are eligible to receive funding and any help offered up to $500,000. So you can get $500,000 covered of your business expenses through this program. But first, I'd like you to read about the program. Tell me in a sentence or two what the program is. Tell me what kinds of eligible activities are covered. Eligible activities are right here. So give me 3 of them. And the final website is Success Stories Archives. I'd like you to click on the link and then just choose one of these success stories. For example, let's look at Morristown. So I'd like you to read a success story and then answer these questions. What community is involved in the success story? Describe the social problem that plagued the community from question number 7. What was done by the community to solve the problem mentioned in question 8? And was your chosen success story an example of philanthropy or social entrepreneurship? Be sure to explain your answer. So remember what these definitions are from today's reading. You can refer back to them in the reading, which is up here. Whoop. Next, I'd like you to complete the self-assessment. This is the last part. So we have today's learning goal. We're learning about the concept of social entrepreneurship and its effects on local communities. And then tell me whether you have met or have not yet met these success criteria. If you've met all 4 of these, put an X there, like so. And then for every have met mark, give yourself a mark out of 4. If you only met 2, give yourself a mark of 2 out of 4. If you met all 4, 4 out of 4, and so on. Remember, these marks are for practice. They're to help prepare you for your unit culminating activities and quizzes, and those will be used to determine your final grade. So whatever mark you give yourself, this won't be used to calculate your final grade. The marks that I give you will be. But I'll still provide comments and feedback on your daily assignments. All right, everyone, that's it for today. And as usual, you can visit me in Google Meet. I'll be there every morning. And otherwise, have yourselves a great day, and thank you for watching. Bye.